Welcome to this comprehensive guide on causal consistency in distributed systems. Causal consistency is a fundamental concept that ensures operations in a distributed database or system maintain their logical order, even when data is replicated across multiple servers. This presentation will walk you through the core principles, practical implementations, and real-world applications of causal consistency. Causal consistency is a consistency model that preserves the cause-and-effect relationships between operations. Imagine you write a message and then send a reply to it. Causal consistency ensures that wherever your data is stored, the message will always appear before the reply. It provides a middle ground between strong consistency, which is difficult to achieve at scale, and eventual consistency, which can lead to confusing out-of-order updates. When data is replicated across multiple servers in different locations, we face a challenge. Different clients may read from different servers, and updates take time to propagate. Without proper mechanisms, a client might see an effect before its cause. For example, a user might see a comment before the original post it refers to. Causal consistency solves this by tracking dependencies between operations and ensuring they are applied in the correct order everywhere. At the heart of causal consistency is the happens before relation. This is a logical ordering that says operation A happens before operation B if A must be completed before B is visible to users. This includes direct causality, like when one operation depends on the result of another, and also transitive causality, where A affects B and B affects C, so A ultimately affects C by tracking these relationships. Causal consistency ensures the correct order of operations across all replicas. Vector clocks are a practical way to implement causal consistency. Each server maintains a vector of counters, one counter for each node in the system. When an operation happens at a node, that node increments its counter. When data is sent to another node, the vector clock is sent along with it. The receiving node updates its vector clock to reflect causality. This metadata overhead is small, but it enables the system to detect and enforce causal ordering without needing global synchronization. Hybrid logical clocks, or HLCs, offer an alternative to traditional vector clocks. They combine physical time with logical ordering to reduce metadata overhead while still maintaining causal consistency. An HLC uses a timestamp that includes both wall clock time and a logical counter. This approach is more efficient in systems where many nodes are involved, as it avoids the growing size of vector clock metadata. HLCs are particularly useful in large-scale distributed systems where minimizing metadata is important. Two important patterns emerge from causal consistency. Read your writes means that if you write data, you will always see your own writes when you read. Monotonic reads means that if you read a piece of data, any subsequent reads will show data that is at least as recent or newer. These patterns provide intuitive guarantees that improve user experience. When implemented with causal consistency, they ensure that clients see a consistent view of data that respects the order of operations. Real-world systems use causal consistency in various ways. Distributed caches use version vectors to maintain causal order, allowing readers to see a consistent sequence of updates. Collaborative editing tools like shared documents use operational transformation or conflict-free replicated data types to ensure that edits from multiple users are causally ordered. When you edit a document with others, causal consistency ensures that the final result respects the intent and order of all edits, even if they happen simultaneously on different devices. To ensure causal consistency works correctly, we measure several metrics. Visibility latency is the time from when a write happens until it becomes visible everywhere. Staleness of reads measures how old the data is compared to the latest version. Dependency tracking coverage tells us what fraction of operations have their causal relationships properly tracked. We also run consistency tests that verify if operation A happens before operation B, then A is visible before B everywhere. These metrics and tests ensure our system maintains its causal guarantees under real-world conditions. Causal consistency provides a partial ordering of operations across replicas without requiring expensive global synchronization. It strikes a balance between strong consistency and eventual consistency. Key takeaways include: track causality using vector clocks or hybrid logical clocks, implement patterns like read-your-writes and monotonic reads for better user experience, and thoroughly test your system across different network partitions. When designing distributed systems, use causal consistency as a design constraint and validate your ordering guarantees with clear metrics and comprehensive tests. For those interested in deeper study, causal consistency is formally defined through the happens before relation, which creates a partial order on events in a distributed system. Vector clocks are a mathematical mechanism to capture this ordering. The vector clock of operation A is strictly less than the vector clock of operation B, if and only if A causally precedes B. This formalism ensures that our intuitive understanding of causality translates into precise, verifiable guarantees in real systems.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.